Hello guys, JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to control camera motions in Luma AI. So to do this is pretty simple. So right here we are in Luma AI. We're lumalabs.ai slash dream machine slash creation. So go ahead and create your account right here. So right now due to high demand, there's only temporarily limiting free 20 generations per day. So paid tiers have priority in the queue and there's no daily limit. So here to control our camera motions, as we all know, it's pretty hard to control the camera controls. So here we have our picture of our motorcycle. So here, all we have to do is specify always where we want to go and how we want to do it. So for example, I found out that you can um, do a cinematic clip, like do a cinematic clip panning out. So I found out that saying zooming out doesn't really hold up well, but panning out does. So as you can see here, right here, let's try it out and I'll be right back. And as you can see that not all the time that as you see right here, we're gonna see it does not pan out. So sometimes it does a panning from top to bottom, not panning out. So we can do that by doing extend right here. So we can pan out and start moving backwards. So you have to be specific in what you want so that it will give you the given output that you also want. So let's try and start moving backwards right here, and I hope this does the trick right here. So I'll be back, and as you can see here that we have added the extend prompt, and as you can see it start moving backwards. As long as you specify what you want here in Luma AI, it will do it for you. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.